Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to this short video where I'm going to show you how you can unify the picture name from different cameras. So if you, for example, went on a vacation and you took pictures with different cameras, it might look a little bit like this. For example, if I take them with a phone with Android, I already got the date in the name and the time when I took the picture. But for example, if I take a Sony camera, it will call it DSC and just some, increasing number. Same holds true for the iPhone. It calls all the pictures IMG and then some number. If you got some WhatsApp pictures, they start with IMG2. At least they have the date included. But in general, if you try to show them in a chronological order, you will always first have the Android pictures, then all the camera pictures, for example, from Sony camera, and then all the iPhone pictures. So what I did was I wrote a little program that will just try to extract the data of when the picture was taken from the image and then rename the picture according to the scheme of the Android photos, and then you can just sort all the pictures by name and show them to whoever wants to see this. So how it is done is pretty simple. You can just go to the website. I will link this in the description, and here you find one link where you can download it. Just click it and save the file. Or you can also, if you're interested, go on GitHub. There you can just check out the whole repository or can take a look at the code if you like. So it's loading a while, but here it is. Here you got all the code. You can modify it however you want. So feel free to do whatever you want with it. So after you've downloaded it, I just tried it, that's why I got it twice, you will get a small zip file. I'll just copy it to my desktop, and the only thing you have to do is to unzip it. So I'll say extract here, and if you look into the folder, you will have one empty folder that's called input. That's where all your pictures will go, and then you have the executable program. So for example, if I want to unify everything that's here, I'll just copy paste it in the input folder like that. And just to give you an example, I included one txt file. This obviously doesn't have a capture date, so the program should leave it alone. And also I have one other rename me JPEG picture in a new folder. So just to demonstrate you that it will go through all the files in the input folder, including all the subdirectories. So after you've copied the files into the input folder, all you have to do is click Unify Picture Names, and as long as you've got the console window open, the program will run. After it finished, the console will close. You will have a small log file. In the log file, you will see how many files it processed. So in my example, it was just 9. 8 of them it could rename, and one of them, which is the leave me alone txt, he didn't rename. And another file he also wrote down in the log file was the WhatsApp image, since WhatsApp images don't have a capture name, but in this special case I will just delete the IMG and minus in front of the name, and so that's why it's counted as a rename file anyway. So I'll at least have the day when the picture was sent. Yeah, so after we've done that, we can check our output folder, and here we can see, just as a comparison, I will open the input folder on the other side. Here you can see the Sony, the WhatsApp and iPhone pictures are now renamed, and now they are all in a chronological order, so I can show them however I want. Also in the new folder, he renamed the file according to the date and time when it was captured. And yeah, that's basically it. So If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you have some ideas for improvement, you're very welcome to share them with you. I'm always very grateful for feedback. Otherwise, just thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Bye.